Hi guys, NCWQ here. Today is 10/22/2019. The time is 5:48 p.m. on the East Coast and should be 2:48 on the West Coast. These are the earthquakes that have occurred on EMSC today. For all other earthquakes, you can check the Caltech past 168 hours. We're going to start with a 2.0, Southern California. This is happening near the Lava Mountains volcanic field. So we can see that the earthquake is here. We're going to back out a little bit. And you can see this is Lava Mountains volcanic field. I'm not sure if there's any views, so we'll check this area. And the areas that we have is we have one right there by where the earthquake epicenter occurred. So we'll go here and check this out. And this is our area here. Check this out. This is cool. Wait. There's words here. Huh. Let me back out. We'll see what these words are. If we can see. It says technocracy, unity, honesty. Oh, that's cool. Moving on to our next one is a 2.3, Northern California. This is near the Calaveras Reservoir in Camp Ohlone Regional Park. We can see Camp Ohlone is here, and this is the Calaveras Reservoir over here. And this is Little Yosemite. And we might have a view here, so we'll see if we have any in this area. We sure do. Let's go over here. And this is the reservoir area. We might be able to go down further. So we can see the lake through the trees here. We can see the reservoirs over here. That's the Calaveras Road. The next earthquake was a 2.4, occurring in the it's occurring in the Searles Valley. You can see this is the area here. And it looks like a helicopter pad over here. Moving on to the next one, which was also a 2.4. This is a Big Sulphur Creek, and it's also a geothermal electricity area. We can tell by looking over here. And this is Big Sulphur Creek through here. And this is Geyser Canyon. And I don't think we have any views here. We do actually. So we'll go over here and see if we can see anything. You can see we have a road over here. That area across there, I'm pretty sure that's a, well, it might be a building, but looks like it's electricity to me. Moving on to our next one was a 2.1, Southern California. This is at Skytop. This is Fish Rocks here, Skytop here. And I don't know, we might have a view here, so we'll see if we do. And we do not. Skytop looks like houses. The next one was a 2.0, Southern California. This is near China Spring and Groner Spring. It's like kind of in between both of them. So we can back up. This is China Spring here. Hard Rock Queen Spring here. We have Mescal Range here. I don't know if we have any views here, so we'll look and see if we do. We have some up top here, so we'll go up there. This is the Mojave Freeway. And it looks like a dead end. Moving on to our last one is a 2.4 offshore Northern California. This is off of Fairhaven. Fairhaven is here. Then you have Samoa, Tai City. This is Humboldt Bay National Wildlife Refuge. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well, day or night, wherever you are in the world. Please be safe and much love.